Hey, what's going on, everybody? Jonathan Montoya here with Passive Income Lifestyles. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make $100 a day passively with a free traffic source. I'm super excited to bring this video to you guys. I'm going to show you some of the income proof here, so you can see. Here's a screenshot here with ClickBank. I'll actually show you the proof here. So this is just in the last couple weeks here. I've made a little over $4,000 with one income stream here. Another one here is my Stripe account. You can see in the last 4 weeks, I've made almost $5,000 here, as you can see. And then also I've made some money with Clickfunnels, just another income stream. And then as well as one of the funnels I built, almost $4,000 here. So I have a lot more streams that I want to show you guys, but this is basically, I just want to show you some proof that I'm making a lot more than $100 a day, but you can definitely get started with making, starting with $100 a day and kind of scale up from there, okay? So I'm super excited to kind of show you how I do this and how you can get started with this method, okay? So if you are new to my channel, guys, who am I? I'm Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles, guys. So my goal is to help you build a passive income system to make you full-time income so you can achieve financial freedom. That is my main goal here, guys. If you're interested in learning more about this, please subscribe to my channel, guys. I post videos daily on how to generate free traffic, affiliate marketing, growing on YouTube, ClickFunnels, growing your online business. As you can see here, all these topics, guys, I'm talking about this almost every single day. I post videos literally almost every single day. So, guys, if you want to learn, guys, please subscribe, and I'm going to be coming out with some awesome content, okay? So let's talk about what you guys came to talk about. So, all right. So the $100 a day formula. Okay. So this is the method here. Okay. I broke it down and made it so simple for you guys to understand. Basically, you got free traffic, you got a cash page, and you're making passive income. That's it. Okay. I don't want to make it too complicated. I want to make this as easy as possible. Okay. So the way it works is you're getting free traffic from Google. Okay. People are searching certain things. They're finding you on your cash pages. You're monetizing those cash pages, which I'll show you. Don't worry. And then you're making passive income. 1, 2, 3 easy steps. Let's show you how to do that. Okay. So how much traffic do you need to make $100 a day? Okay. So basically, a good niche, you can make between $10 and $50 per 1,000 visitors. Okay. I like to break down the numbers because it really puts into perspective on how much you have to, how much traffic you have to generate to be able to do that. And I'm going to show you how to do that. So don't worry about that. Okay. So worst case, let's just say, you're only getting $10 per 1,000 visitors. To make $100 a day, you would need 10,000 visitors. Okay. So I know that seems kind of daunting, kind of hard. Don't worry about it. I'm going to show you how to get that. Okay. Best case, you're making $50. You're in an awesome niche. People are paying you a ton of money. You only need 2,000 visitors a day. So it kind of gives you some perspective, how much visitors you need, stuff like that. Okay. So, I'll get into the steps on how to do it, but let me just show you how it works. Okay, so this is my blog here. Okay, this is actually I haven't even had this very long, and I'm making some pretty good money with this passive income method here. Okay, so you can see here I have a ton of different blogs for certain keywords. Okay, and basically when people find this blog, for example, let's just say this one here. They're going to go to this article where I'm giving them, let's just say, for example, top 7 tools for affiliate marketing. And in this blog here, there's all these tools I recommend. But as you can see here, I have links to affiliate marketing or to software or to programs I recommend where I'm going to get paid. Okay, so you can see here. Right here, I recommend Clickfunnels. Right here, I recommend Autoresponder. And you can see here the type of tools that I'm recommending. Okay, now obviously this is for the make money online niche. If you're doing a different niche like health or fitness or relationships, then it's going to be different, of course. But this is kind of what I'm doing. Okay, so all these links here go back to an affiliate product where then I make money. Okay, so this is kind of how it works. All right. And then basically, I'm just going to show you something quick here. So for this example here, this was let me see. Let me go back to the article. So the title here is tools for affiliate marketing. So, or that's the keyword I'm ranking for. That's the keyword I'm trying to rank for. Okay, so if we go to Uber Suggest, which is a tool that I use to find keywords, and I'll show you how to use this. Don't worry. You can find kind of keywords that you can rank for as a totally beginner blogger, okay? So you can see here, I'm just going to type in affiliate marketing tools. You can see, obviously, I use this exact keyword, tools for affiliate marketing. So you can see here, 170 searches per month. So, remember, we need 2,000 at least to make that $100 a day, okay? But I'm going to show you how to do that in here in a little bit. But you can see here with this keyword, tools for affiliate marketing, this score here, 17, means that I'm able to rank for that keyword. Anything under a 30 means like a newbie can rank for that. That's basically what that means, okay? But we'll go into that here in a little bit. Let's go back. Okay, so step one, let's just go through the whole process on how you can get started and make money with this system, okay? All right, step one is choose your niche, okay? So this is important. We want to choose a niche that is, something that we can make money with, right? Something that you're passionate about, but also you can make money with, okay? So if we go back here, good niches are going to make between $10 and $50 per 1,000 visitors, okay? Obviously, it can vary. You can make more, you can make less, but if you choose a niche, a really good niche that you're passionate about, you're going to make money, okay? So what I recommend is go to Blogger Income Reports, type that into Google, and see what the top niches are, okay? So I actually did that for you here. This is a good one that I found right here. It's the 50 blog income reports from 2,000 to 100 or to $1 million a month on these people making money, okay? So let me show you here. Okay, so right here, this is a baby niche or a parenting niche, 4,000 per month, making sense of sense. So this is probably like a personal finance niche. Pinch of food is a food niche, maybe a health niche, I'm not sure, but you can actually click on these and see what they are. So you can kind of get some ideas of what they're doing. You can model what they're doing. If you need ideas, stuff like that. There's a travel niche that makes 4,000 per month. Vegan niche, guys, there's so many things you can do. It's like endless, okay? So this will kind of give you some ideas on what you can do when choosing your niche, okay? So that is kind of an idea there, okay? All right, let's go back here to my step one. So you're going to choose a niche. Obviously, for me, it's the make money online niche or affiliate marketing. So, that's me, okay? But for you, choose something that you're passionate about and that you can talk about, okay? Number two is you're going to install the site and choose a domain. So we're creating a website basically and a blog. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to choose a domain name, okay, based on your niche. So I actually have a tool for you. I'm going to actually give you this whole document. This will be linked in the description below. Basically, here is a tool that I gave you guys so you can choose a domain, okay? And this hosting website actually gives you a domain for free, okay? So if you go here, which is this link, let me see if I can pull it up. So I created this for you guys. It's basically a, let me see here. I have it in here somewhere. Yeah, right here. So you can choose, you can type in a domain that you want to choose. So let's just say you're doing like a food niche, right? So eat healthy today or something like that. I don't know. That's probably taken, but you can check the availability. See, look, it's already taken, obviously. Okay, that's probably a hard one. So eat healthy today, vegan. I don't know. Just, or eat healthy food vegan. Okay, obviously I'm just making this up, right? This is probably taken as well. Okay, that's available. So you can go ahead and hit. Okay, so you're going to get a free hosting account with this, okay? Or a free domain with this. So you can actually go through here and you can get a free website, and you can with this account, it's going to walk you through how to get your actual hosting. So you have to get your domain, which is this. It's the website here, okay? So once you get your domain, then you need a hosting account. So that's why I gave you this tool, so you can get all in one. You're not doing, most people recommend doing like a domain here and then do a hosting over here, and then you have to integrate it, and it just gets too difficult. I made it so easy for you guys to just literally do it all in one spot, okay? So this tool here, I'll actually give it to you. It'll be linked below. This is a tool on how to create your website from beginning to end. I'm not going to go through the whole thing because obviously this is a whole video in itself, but this document will kind of walk you through everything from hosting to creating your content to getting traffic, all that stuff. Okay, I'm going to link that in the description below. Okay. All right, so let's so that's what you're going to do here. So install your site, choose your domain. That's all. Like I said, I'm going to include that below. Number 3 is create content. Okay, so now we got to start creating the content that we're going to be using to get traffic from. Now we're going to get free traffic from Google, but we have to have content, right? So what I recommend is start with 20 blogs when you first start your site. Okay, guys. So like right here, obviously, with this keyword here, it's only 170 visitors, but let's just say 170, or let's say 20 times. let's just say 200, okay? Pretend that's 200, okay? So 200, let's just say we make 20 of these at 200 each, we're already at like 40,000 visitors each, right? So what I'm saying is, or is that 4,000? 200 times 20, yeah, so 4,000. 8,000. Sorry about that, guys. But what I'm saying is the more blogs you make, the more people, the more visitors you're going to get. And it's all exponential. It starts kind of slow and then it goes exponential, okay? It's just like YouTube. You know, if you're on my channel, you know I talk a lot about YouTube and how slow it is in the beginning. But if you put a lot of content out, you're gonna start seeing results. I promise you're gonna start seeing results. So I recommend 20 pieces of content right away. Like the first month, work as hard as you can. Now, there's several things you can do, okay? So if I go back here, you can write them yourself, which I recommend if you don't have money. But if you do have some money, guys, I outsource to a program called iWriter. Okay, so this program here, you can outsource, and they'll actually write the articles for you. Just give them the keyword, and they'll do everything for you. Okay, so you can see the pricing here. Obviously, this costs money if you want to outsource, but if you do have extra money, you can just have them do it. Okay, it really depends on your situation, but I always recommend just doing it yourself. That way, you know how how you want the articles written, stuff like that. But you can see, 1,000 words, $8. So not too bad. If you want like a standard one, obviously if you want a super good article, it's like $72. But anyways, those are the two recommendations. Start writing them yourself. Start throwing out the content, guys. I promise you're going to make money if you're consistent, okay? Most people will kind of give up, okay? All right, so that is step number 3 is to create content. 20 pieces of content, guys, okay? All right, number 2 is to monetize with AdSense, okay? So now you're starting to get traffic, and what you're going to do is now that people are on your website, you're going to start getting traffic from, or you're going to start getting people on your website, so you can actually monetize with AdSense. What it is you install a special piece of code from Google AdSense. It's really easy. You add this on your website. So this is the back end of your website here. And then it's really easy. Just throw it in. There's a tool that allows you to do it for you. I'm not going to go into that now. It's actually on my course, or my free guide here that I'm showing you here. This guide will show you how to do it, so don't worry about that. But basically this, so you can see here that I have ads running on my account. So when people go there, I'm getting paid for it when people are visiting the site, which is really cool, right? So that is one option there. And then the way you really make money is, like I said, you're going to have affiliate links throughout your blogs. Okay, that's how you really start making the money. Okay, so step number 5 is you add more and more content, but you want to start adding your affiliate links throughout your blog so you can make more money. Okay, so basically in here, like I just said, okay, so this is an affiliate link to Bluehost. This is an affiliate link to Clickfunnels. Whatever you're trying to recommend, whatever you're, if you're recommending a software, if you're recommending a website, or recommending a like a course, whatever it is in your niche, guys. Obviously, it has to be relevant. If it's health and fitness, then you recommend certain supplements. Find an affiliate program where you can sign up, get your special link, throw it in these articles here, and make money, guys. It's really simple. Like it's simple, but it's not easy to do because people aren't willing to put in the work. Okay, so I really want you to understand how easy it is. Okay, you're getting free traffic from Google. You're creating these cash pages and you're making passive income. It's a lot of work in the beginning. I promise you, it's not easy to start with this because you have to start, you have to start somewhere, right? You have to learn how this works. Once you learn how this works, you guys, the momentum, you start making more and more money. Guys, I started making nothing the first couple months. Now I'm doing $30,000 to $50,000 a month, guys. My best month was last month. I did $40,000 in affiliate marketing, guys. Just affiliate marketing. That's not even including other income sources. So you can definitely make a lot of money, and I've only been doing this 8 months. So anyways, guys, I hope this video was of value. I hope that I kind of opened your eyes on how you can start making money online. And like I said, guys, I have a ton of videos on how you can start making money. This is just one method. This is a free method, but if you're trying to kind of just start and like go all in and start making money, I do have my number 1 recommendation down below on how you can get started making money online. It's going to be a full step-by-step course that'll get you started. But if you don't have the money to invest right now, guys, start with this right here. Okay, this will get you going. I promise you. If you get your feet wet, you're gonna learn something. You're gonna learn how to start making money. You get that first you're going to get that first commission. You're going to be so excited. I promise. Even if it's like $1, like it's amazing to start making money online. It's so fun. But anyways, guys, I hope this video was of value. Please subscribe to this channel, guys. Like I said, I'm coming out with content almost every single day. And you guys have a good day, and God bless.